In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into your TextFire admin and begin setting up your subscriber lists. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to textfire.com and click on Client Login. When you get to this screen, you want to enter in the username and password that we've provided. If you don't have your username and password, just click Lost Password to generate a new password. You can just provide your email address and the website will send a link to you to reset your password. Once you log in, you'll be redirected to your company TextFire control panel, and that will usually be at your company name.textfire.link. And then from here you can begin creating subscriber lists to start generating subscribers, or you can manage your existing subscribers or send out text messages. So the first thing that we'll be doing in this tutorial is creating a subscriber list. To do that, click on Subscriber Lists. When you get to this page, you can create a subscriber list right here on the left hand side just by providing the subscriber list name, leave the slug blank. The description is for just describing what this list will be used for. It's just for internal use and it's completely optional, but we'll just leave it blank for now. And then your keyword is the word that people will use to subscribe or unsubscribe from this list. So I'm just going to make this keyword pizza. So when people text pizza to my TextFire number, they will automatically be subscribed to this list. And when they text pizza again, they will automatically be unsubscribed from this list. Now this phone number is the phone number of a single person that can send text messages to your TextFire number, and then they will be forwarded to all of the subscribers of this list. This allows you to be able to either send text messages from your personal phone that are then forwarded to your entire subscriber list, or use the phone number of somebody else who's responsible for this list. They can send text messages to this entire list from their personal phone. You'll just enter in their phone starting with +1 if you're in the United States, and then the area codes. So for example, your phone number might be +1417 3890861 or something like that. Now, if you leave this blank, then that feature is just disabled. Now, the subscriber auto reply is the message that users will receive automatically once they subscribe to your list. If you leave this field blank, then the default subscriber auto reply is automatically used. If you fill this out, then you can have a custom auto reply specifically for people that are subscribing to this list. So that's each list can have their own automatic reply for new subscribers. It's a handy feature to use. Now, like I said, if you just leave this blank, then it just uses the default one within the system. And I'll show you how to change the default one here in just a second. And then the unsubscribe reply is what the user will receive when they unsubscribe. So if they text pizza, they'll subscribe and receive this. And then if they text pizza again, they'll be unsubscribed and they'll receive this message. Now, if you offer a promotion, a one-time only promotion for new subscribers, when they are subscribed, they'll receive that promotion. And then if they unsubscribe and then try to resubscribe again and get that promo again, they will not receive that promotion. And this is one of the features that we use to try to make your subscribers as valuable as possible and that they're not trying to cheat the system. So this is how you can provide one-time only discounts. If you have any more questions about how that works, please definitely let one of our TextFire experts know. So I'm just going to leave these blank just to use the default, and then I'll click Add Subscriber List. Now as soon as I click Add, you'll notice that the keyword went away and the name went away, and basically what just happened is the list was created right here. So now at any time when I click on subscriber lists, I'll see a list of all my subscriber lists right here, and I can just click edit or the title of the subscriber list, and go to a page here where I can edit any of these changes in the future. But let me also show you where you can go to change the default auto replies. So if you go to settings in the admin menu here and you click on TextFire options, there you will see the default auto replies that are used for new subscribers, people that are unsubscribing, and then resubscribers. You can also see the default auto reply if somebody sends a text that is not the keyword associated with a particular subscriber list. So this is the default auto reply. You'll notice that we have some other feature or some other settings that can be changed here, and we'll talk about this in another video tutorial that focuses on receiving text messages from users or subscribers. So now that we have a subscriber list, we can begin collecting subscribers just simply by people sending a text message with the keyword associated with this list, which was just pizza. When they send that to our TextFire number, they will automatically be subscribed. And so now, let's say that somebody went ahead and sent that message. Then they would be subscribed in the system, and their number would show in the system like this. Once somebody subscribes, they'll automatically be in the subscriber list right here on this page. And you can see that when we click on their page here, it brings us to edit. Now, as you can see, I was able to manually add somebody as a subscriber to this list as well. People do not have to subscribe themselves. You can manually add them from the admin. And once they're subscribed, if you do know their name, you can come here and you can just type in their name. And if you click update, now their name will be in the subscriber list on this page. So now we have one subscriber to this particular subscriber list. And let's say we want to have another subscriber list. And we'll make the keyword for this one root beer. And so now when somebody texts root beer to the phone number, they'll automatically be subscribed to this list, another subscriber list. Now if I go to the list of subscribers and I click on this subscriber, I can see that he's not subscribed to this list, but I can go ahead and manually add him to this list. Now I can also send an individual text message that goes only to this subscriber. I simply do this by typing in the text message here, which I'm limited to 160 characters for the text message, and this counter right here lets me make sure that I'm within that limit. It won't let me type a text longer than 160 characters. So then I go ahead and I type my message that I'd like to be sent to the subscriber here, and then I click update, and then that individual subscriber will receive a text message. So now that we've created our subscriber lists, we have new subscribers subscribed to our list, now we're ready to send out a text message. So we can just go to add new text here, and then the title is just used for internal use. This is something that you can use to keep track of what you were sending out in those text messages. And then this is the body of the text. And this is the text message that will automatically be sent out to all of your subscribers. This text will only be sent to the lists that you select. And if a subscriber is subscribed to multiple lists, they will only receive one of the text messages. They will not receive double text messages for just one text that you send out. So once you hit publish, this text message will be sent to all of your subscribers, and you'll be able to click on messages here in the future and see when text messages were published. Now you can also schedule text messages right here. So how you do this is you go ahead and write the text message as usual, and then instead of publishing immediately, you just click edit here, and you can choose the month, the date, and the time that you would like this text message to be published. Now do be aware that the system does use military time. So if you're going to be sending a text message at 1 o'clock p.m., it would actually be 13. If you're not familiar with military time, please do some research on military time and learn how that works. So I'm just going to hit OK, and then I can click schedule. Now if you do not hit OK and you click publish, it will post immediately. You have to hit OK and then schedule. Now before you send your text messages, always make sure that you select a subscriber list. And if you would like, you can rearrange these windows so that you remember to choose your subscriber list. So I'm going to just choose the subscriber list that this one goes to and then hit schedule. And now when I come back to my messages, you will see that this message shows in the list as a scheduled text message to be sent out. So this has been a basic overview of how the TextFire system works. If you have any questions on how to use TextFire in more detail, please let us know. Thank you very much for using TextFire, and we hope you have fun using our software.